Alright, what's up guys? How's life? Sportsana23. And it's nighttime for us now. Wait, let me see what time it is. Okay. It's 9:03 for us in Adelaide, and I have just seen a planet. I just looked outside through my telescope, which is really strong. That sounds wrong, but it's really strong. And I managed to see one of the planets, and I'll just show you all I saw. Well, I saw Mars, as I calculated, and 3 of its moons. Okay, so there's Mars, and those are its 3 moons. That's one of them, that's one of them, and that's one of them. Is one. Let me just name them. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, here we go. So these were it. 1, 2, and 3. Those were the moons, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and comment below. Bye. And remember to subscribe to my brother's channel, which he doesn't have any videos, but he's posting one. The name will be in the description below. And that's it.